Welcome back to SaaSMobi. In this video we're going to cover the Reputation Marketing Module. This is a system that can be used for any business to help them increase the positive reviews posted on sites like TripAdvisor, Google Reviews, Yelp and so forth. And it will also help stop negative reviews getting posted on those sites. And this is how it works in essence. The business owner will send their customers to a page like this. Of course, everything is fully customizable, including the icons. If the customer selects a negative icon, he or she will be taken to a response page that again is fully customizable. It will have a set message that the business owner can put in and a contact form so that the customer can give their more detailed comments as to their experience. And as soon as that is submitted, it gets sent through to a specified email. The business owner can then contact the customer and sort things out. Now, if the customer selects a positive icon, they will get sent straight through to the business owner's review page on either TripAdvisor or Google or any of the review pages. And that's how simple it is. It's very effective, and in order to set this up, I'm just going to show you, would like to show you how quickly you can do it for a business owner. So what I'm going to do here is just upload one that I've already done. You see this icon here in the corner. When you click this will allow you to import a previous project. This would save me typing it all in again. So I'll click that and come to here. I'll just upload that project. Okay, the project's uploaded, which means I don't have to go through all the questions typing everything in again. So if I click next, you'll see what we've put in. So we put the name of the business, we put the mobile site of the business, we then insert the logo, that will be the header, and we've got recommended size of 800 by 150, but you can play around to see what suits your page the best. If you don't have a lot of content on the review page, you can have a deeper logo. We just want to make sure that those icons fit on the screen without having to scroll down. Then you're going to put in the email address that's going to receive the feedback from the customers. Now here we've got options for, this is mainly for overseas or foreign languages, and this is where people insert responses if an invalid email address has been put in. So it will pop up, if they don't put a proper email address, it will pop up and this will be the message. But you can change that of course to whatever you like. And the same goes here for the subject line. This is in the email that gets sent containing the customer's feedback. This will be the subject line, so you can put anything in there. It might say, in this case, Charlie Group customer feedback. It's entirely up to you. And then you've got a title for the feedback page. Now this really isn't seen by anyone, so you don't have to worry too much. It's just an SEO thing. So we will move forward from that. You select the background color of the pages. Now here it's a color picker, so you just pick whatever color you want or type in the HTML color codes. You then select the font for the text. Again, it's a color picker, so you can basically customize the pages exactly to fit the client's branding. Then this is what's going to appear in the name field of the feedback form. So for example, if this was a Spanish form, you have nombre, but here we've got the default as English. Then what's in the email field of the form, you probably leave that as email unless a foreign language has a different name for email. And then the field for message, here we've just put message, but again for Spanish you would have a mensaje or whatever language you're using. And then finally you've got the thank you page. That's the title. Again, don't worry too much about that, but you would change that from thank you to whatever language. Now here's where you put your messages. This one appears above the icons on the first page, and this is a what's called a WYSIWYG editor, so you can customize this exactly in terms of size, fonts. If we wanted to change this to bold, for instance, you just cover it and select bold. If you want to change the size, you can change the size. It's entirely up to you. And then you do next. Now you select there's 3 images to go on the first review page, and here we've got a smiley image, but if we wanted to, we would select a different one. Then the second image, this is for the neutral image, and then finally we've got the positive image. And again, if this wasn't ticked, if I untick it, what will happen is I'll just choose a file, and you'll go to select your file there, and that's done. Then click next. So we've got our 3 icons. Finally, you're going to put the TripAdvisor or whichever review page you're going to put in here. Now let me just quickly take you to TripAdvisor and show you how to do this, because a lot of times people make mistakes here. Now for example, here we've got a page for let's go to the actual page for this. Okay, this is the review. We'll go to the review page. So this is the page for, say, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Now, you don't want to send them to this page. You want to send them to this page, write a review. So you click that icon, write a review, and you grab the URL of this page. Let me just stop and expand here for you. Right, so to grab the URL, what we're looking at is up here. So you'll just select all of this URL here, just Control A to select it all, Control C to copy, and then what you're going to do is come back to this page here and paste it in here. Finally, you're going to on the actual contact form, you're going to put a message here. So this will be after they've selected an icon, so good or bad. This of course is only seen by people who give a negative or neutral review, and so you'll put comments here that will appear above the contact form. It could say, sorry that you haven't enjoyed your experience, we'd love to sort this out for you, please complete the form below and our manager will get back in touch. Or it could be something like this one here, which is just a thank you and entering them into a prize draw. It's entirely up to you. Again, it's a WYSIWYG editor, so you can really customize these. You can change the colors. So for example, if I want to change the color here, you just change the color to a dark blue, for example, and then we click finish. Now once it's finished, you can either click this button here to download, and it will download the zip file that contains the reputation marketing system that you just created. It's a good idea to do that anyway, so that you've got a copy. So if I click this, it's going to download on the page, and then you can also back up the project by clicking this button here. So if you click this, it will back up the entire project, which means if you've made a mistake or it needs changing at any time in the future, you just upload the project as I did in the beginning, and you can go straight to a section to edit that section and then output it again. Now in addition, you can actually load it direct to any web server, so you can load it onto your client's web server directly from here. You click the FTP button and you'll put in the host the port, the upload path, and the username and password for the FTP. Now, if you're not sure about any of those, you'll need to contact your hosting provider, your web hosting provider, to get all of those details. And then all you'll do is click upload, and everything will go straight onto the server. You can go and check, and it will all be there. And that is how simple it is to create a reputation marketing system for any business using the SaaSMobi module. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Look forward to seeing you in another video.